Hi everyone, today I'm here to talk about the Freedom Run which we at Venus Remedies are organizing on 29th of August, this Sunday. The whole idea came about this Freedom Run or a marathon was like we wanted to inculcate a lifestyle concept in for everyone working around at Venus. At skill development, we're already working on the intellect, mental development. So it just came across our mind, what about for the physical development of everyone working at Venus? So here we are organizing a freedom run where everyone's running for a cause. Freedom from something. So the whole idea is freedom from, say, a disease, freedom from your daily mundane chores, freedom from, say, guilt. And stress is something which is inevitable in our lives. So a stress buster kind for everyone, and that was the thought behind it. And this thought was shared by with our respected management, who really took it in a very positive stride, helped us to organize this marathon. With this in mind, we have our efforts at Venus. It was supported as we discussed the objective behind it and what is the motive behind doing this. Also, when we shared with our respected management, it was like they're supporting us, of course, financially and helping us to organize in every which way. So whatever we are going to collect from the registrations, the management came up with the idea that we should do it for a cause also. So whatever we are collecting, we are giving to an NGO by the name Sankalp. We are donating it to Sankalp. So sharing all these thoughts, we are supported by our efforts from the Indian Medical Association, by the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana, Krida Bharati and Balaji Medi Center, to whom we are very grateful for supporting us for this noble cause. And also this thought came in our mind that it's not only for the employees here or people working here. Why not on a Sunday have a family get together, start your Sunday with a good fitness regime. So families with kids and friends, everyone coming together and trying to inculcate fitness in their daily life. So we've organized 21 kilometers, half marathon, 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers. All COVID protocols are being followed. We have Sterlock as a disinfectant, and for pain relief, we are having Reset as our the medicines to be used. So all safety concerns, protocols are being followed for that. We are very fortunate and blessed to be associated with Mr. Amar Chauhan ji, a 79-year-old marathon runner, and he's going to be the torchbearer of our run. And so, he stands at that epitome of that age is no bar for fitness. Like, he started his fitness regime post his retirement. So we have one section conveying that age is no bar for fitness. On the other hand, for the young icon, we have Miss Kulpreet Barar, who's made fitness as the prime goal, having coming across, as I said, stress is inevitable for each one of us. So all of us are highs and lows, but how running and having a fitness regime helps you to come out of your stress, to come out of what the gloomy days we all face. So we have this, in that spectrum, two ends. Senior citizen and a youth icon, Kulpreet ji, who's been facilitating, organizing marathons. So that's the message we want to convey. Just do something for yourself. So please, I would request, though this talk is nothing for promotion or anything, we've already had very, very good registrations. But all is this something you want to do it for yourself, for your family, for your friends. Few slots are there in 21 kilometer. kindly come, enroll, do something for yourself. एक दिन अपने आप को दे दो अपनी सेहत के लिए, to be disease free and to have fitness in your daily regime. So come, register and enjoy that day. This is being organized very professionally. We have external agencies, everything. We have hydration points. You talk about it. Any professional marathon we have, and this is the first edition we are having. We intend to have such kind of more of activities, not only for our own people working at Venus, but also for the community. So we strongly believe that we need to give back to the community. That's why, as I said, we are doing this for a noble cause. Whatever it's been collected, we are donating it. So please come, enroll, donate, set yourself free, and see you on Sunday. And I'm sure everyone will have a fantastic Sunday. Thank you.